All right, we're going to start by removing these two external screws on the battery pack. It would remove the battery pack and set that aside. And then now we'll remove these four external screws on the main housings. All right, focusing now on the back housing assembly to replace the XL sensors in slots 1 through 3. First start by picking the sensor you want to replace, just grabbing it and pulling it out. That was the 2-tox sensor, but if you need to replace the combustible or oxygen sensor, it can help to pull the pump kind of out of the way to give yourself more room to reach at it. So with that in mind, we're going to place our old sensor aside, grab our replacement here. It is keyed, so there is a bump on the edge of the sensor, and you want to line that with the plastic bracket so it's in the right orientation. Just press that in place. The pump wire, if it was moved, just tucks down into the device like so. From here, we'll just line up the front and back housings together and tighten down these 4 external screws to the torque value listed in the product manual. And then just insert the battery pack like so and power down the unit when it turns on. Just need to torque down these 2 external screws to that value listed in the product manual.